all hair person they want to get a
He's
job
my
job.
friend. Please subscribe his channel. Subscribe his channel.
চ্যানেল নেম কি বল, নেমটা বল, বলবি না এটা কিভাবে বল?
Today our own country Bangladesh, a big a large organization Bangladesh Islami Chhatra Shibir,
বাংলাদেশ স্টুডেন্ট ছাত্র শিবির,
Chhatra Shibir,
হ্যাঁ,
they arrange a large program in our
আর কলেজ
college. We enjoy this program
enjoy this program
together,
together my old friend.
my old friend.
তো হয়ে গেল একটা ব্লগ।
First time we attend our Bangladesh large organization, political organization, when the fascist regime active our own country. I also Muhammad Didar attend Chhatra League. I resign this party because they are fascist. See all the people, inshallah, one upon a day, they are job holder.